It is marked down here. We're going to look and see how we can use the flash fill right here in Excel. Yeah, flash fill. If you notice right here, I have name, which I have the first name and the last name together. Here I have the first name and I have the last name. But what I want all the first name here without have to type out all the first name here. I want all the last name here without have to type out the last name. Right, so we're going to use the flash fill in order for me to do that. So the first thing you want to do is to click right here. We're going to type the first name here, which is Johnson. When as soon as you type it, you just click on the bottom and you click back point again. When you click back point, you're going to go up to the top. Here, you notice the word data, you're going to click on the word data. You're going to come across where it says data tool, and this itself is flash fill. So you want to click on flash fill. If you notice when you click on flash fill, all the first name actually appear. So we're going to do that for the last name by just clicking right over here. And we're going to type the word brown, just like that, and then we're going to click on the bottom, and then we're going to click back point again, and then we're going to come up here to flash fill, and we're going to click, and notice all the name appear. So this is how you can actually use flash fill right here in Excel. So if this video has helped you, give it a like, write a comment. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.